If you want your blood pressure readings at home to actually mean something, the most important thing you can do is get a good machine. Having an accurate monitor and a proper fitting cuff is the difference between reliable information that can help you and your doctor and numbers that are misleading or flat out wrong. I'm Dr. Eric Richardson, a family practice physician who's been caring for patients for more than 20 years. One question I get all the time is, what's the best blood pressure monitor I should buy for home use? So I decided to look at the research, review the options, and put together a list of some of the best validated monitors you can trust, from budget-friendly picks to advanced feature-packed models, and I'll walk you through who each one is best for. Before we get into the list though, let's talk about what actually makes a good blood pressure monitor. There are a few key features that really matter if you want accurate, consistent readings at home. First, make sure it's an upper arm monitor, not a wrist or a finger cuff. Those might look convenient, but they tend to be far less reliable and are much more affected by different things like body position. Next, look for a wide range cuff that fits your arm size. Many inaccurate readings come down to a cuff that's either too tight or too loose. A good monitor will clearly list the arm circumference it fits, usually somewhere between 9 and 17 inches, with larger cuffs available if you need them. You also want one that's been clinically validated for accuracy. That means it's been independently tested to meet medical standards, not just FDA cleared marketing. You can check whether a device is validated at validatebp.org, which lists every blood pressure monitor that's passed those independent accuracy tests. Finally, consider features that make it easier to get a proper reading, things like body movement detection, irregular heartbeat alerts, or even averaging multiple readings to reduce variability. These aren't just bells and whistles, they're features that help turn a home monitor into something that you and your doctor can actually trust. Okay, so now to the machines. The first on the list is the Omron Iron Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor, which is a solid choice if you're looking for something straightforward, accurate, and affordable. This one keeps things simple. It's designed for people who just want to press a button and get a reading they can trust. It's clinically validated for accuracy, and it uses a wide range D-ring cuff that fits most adults from about 9 to 17 inches. The cuff is soft and easy to position, which actually matters more than people think. A poor cuff fit is one of the most common reasons for inaccurate home readings. Now, the monitor itself is not Bluetooth enabled, so it doesn't connect to your phone or store long-term data. It only keeps your last reading on record. For some people, that simplicity is a benefit. You're not dealing with apps, logins, or syncing. But for others, especially for those who like to track their numbers over time, that can be a drawback. It does include movement and irregular heartbeat detection, which does help flag readings that might not be accurate. But since it's an entry-level model, it doesn't have features like averaging multiple readings or reminders to take your blood pressure at the same time each day. So in short, Omron Iron is a great pick if you just want something dependable and easy to use, especially for occasional checks or as a backup monitor. Just keep in mind that it's missing some of the trend tracking and tech features you'll find in most higher end models. Next is the Homedics 500 series, which is a nice step up for the basic models and adds several features that actually help improve accuracy and ease of use. One of the best features is its voice out guide. It literally talks you through the process, telling you how to position the cuff and what your readings mean once they're done. For people with limited vision or those who just appreciate clear instructions, that can make a big difference in getting consistent readings. It is clinically validated and listed on validatebp.org, so you can trust its accuracy. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync your results with the Homedics Health app, which helps you keep a running record and even shares readings with your doctor. It stores data for 2 users, up to 120 readings each, and automatically averages your last 3 results for a more stable snapshot of your blood pressure. That said, it's not perfect. The voice prompts can feel a little slow or repetitive once you're familiar with the process. And while the app works fine for basic tracking, it's not quite as polished as some of the larger brand apps. The cuff itself is comfortable and adjustable, but if you have a very large arm, you will need to buy the XL version separately, which can add to the cost. Overall, the Homedics 500 series is a great choice for someone who wants a little more support and technology built in, especially if you value guided instructions and easy data tracking, but you don't need hospital-level analytics or premium features. Next up is the A&D Medical 700 series, which I consider a strong mid-range option for people who want a professional-level accuracy, but still want something that's easy to use at home. A&D is a well-respected name in medical equipment. You'll actually see their monitors used in some clinical settings, and this model is clinically validated and listed on validatebp.org. It connects via Bluetooth app to the A&D Connect app, which lets you automatically save, view, and share your readings over time. It supports up to 4 users, so it's a great fit for families or couples who share a device but still want to keep their data separate. The readings are clear and easy to see, and the wide range cuff fits most adults comfortably from about 8.6 to 16.5 inches. I think one of the nicest things about this unit is its balance between simplicity and sophistication. It has features like irregular heartbeat detection, movement indicators, and averaging, but it doesn't feel overwhelming or really technical to use. That said, the app experience isn't perfect. It's functional, but not quite as intuitive as Omron's. It can take a few extra steps to pair and navigate if you're not comfortable with smartphone apps. It's also battery powered only, so you'll need to replace AA batteries occasionally if you use it often. Still, for its price point, the AMD 700 is a great value. It's accurate, it's validated, and well built. It's ideal for people who want a reliable monitor with multiple user profiles and app tracking, but don't need the advanced features that most of the higher end models include. Now we're moving into the premium range with the Omron Platinum, one of the most advanced and feature-rich monitors you can buy for home use. It's clinically validated, has AFib screening, and uses Omron's advanced accuracy technology to minimize the effect of movements or breathing on your readings, all of which can help you get consistent medical grade results. One of my favorite features is a true read setting, which automatically takes 3 readings in a row and averages them for a more realistic snapshot of your true blood pressure. It also stores 200 readings total, 100 per user, and connects to the Omron Connect app, which I think is one of the more polished and user-friendly options out there. You can track long-term trends, export reports, and even set reminders for when to take your blood pressure. The dual display screen is another plus. It shows your current and previous readings side by side, so you can immediately see how your numbers are trending. The wide-range D-ring cuff fits most adults comfortably and includes an AC adapter, which means you can plug it in rather than relying on batteries. If there's a downside, is this model is a bit bulkier than some of the smaller options, and it's not particularly travel-friendly. The extra features are great, but if you just want quick occasional checks, it may feel a little more than you need. Some people also say that they report that the AFib detection can flag irregular results if you move or talk during a reading, so stillness is still key. So overall, the Omron Platinum is one of the most accurate and full-featured monitors available for home use. It's best suited for people who take their blood pressure regularly, want to monitor heart rhythm risk factors, and appreciate detailed data and app tracking. Now, if you like accuracy and reliability of Omron, but prefer something sleeker and easier to handle, the Omron Evolv might be your favorite of the bunch. It delivers the same clinically validated accuracy as the larger Omron models, but it's built into a compact, all-in-one design that doesn't require hoses, cords, or a separate control unit. You just wrap it around your arm, press start, and it gives you readings in seconds. Because the display, pump, and cuff are all connected, it's extremely portable and ideal for travel or quick checks at work. It connects to the Omron Connect app via Bluetooth, stores up to 100 readings on the device itself, and uses a rechargeable battery, which is a nice upgrade over replacing AA's. That said, the device does come with some trade-offs. The cuff is slightly stiffer than a traditional one, so it can feel snug in some people. And the display is smaller and less detailed than the Platinums, so you lose features like dual user profiles and the side-by-side comparison on the screen. If you're someone who likes to see full trend data directly on the device, you'll need to open the app a lot more often. Still, for people who value convenience, portability, and modern design, the Evolv is hard to beat. It's accurate, clean, and quick, and a great option for anyone who checks their blood pressure regularly but doesn't want the cords or clutter. Now, as a bonus pick, let's look at the Omron Complete. This is a monitor that goes beyond just blood pressure by adding a built-in single lead EKG. This means you can measure both your blood pressure and heart rhythm at the same time, which can be really useful for people who need to keep an eye on atrial fibrillation or bradycardia or tachycardia. It connects with the Omron Connect app, which integrates AliveCore's rhythm analysis technology, the same platform used in many medical-grade personal EKG devices. The readings are accurate and can be saved, reviewed, and shared directly with your healthcare provider, giving you more insight into what's going on between office visits. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The device itself doesn't have a traditional display. You'll need to use your own smartphone as a screen to view detailed blood pressure results or see your EKG tracings. In addition, while you can take basic EKG readings for free, some of the rhythm analysis and reporting tools require a paid subscription through the app. That's something to be aware of if you want to unlock all of its features. And it's also slightly bulkier than the other Omron models and does run on AA batteries, which means it's less portable and can go through batteries fairly quickly. For anyone who's been asked to monitor their heart rhythm or who wants deeper insight into their cardiovascular health, the Omron Complete offers an impressive set of capabilities. But if you just need accurate blood pressure tracking, one of the other validated monitors will likely meet your needs a lot more simply and affordably. So to wrap things up, there really isn't one best blood pressure monitor for everyone. It depends on what you value most. If you want something simple and affordable, the Omron Iron or the Homedics 500 series are great starting points. They're accurate, they're validated, and easy to use, but keep in mind they are limited in their data storage and don't have the advanced tracking features you'll find in higher end models. If you want something that adds a bit more flexibility and connectivity, the A&D Medical 700 series is a great middle ground. It offers Bluetooth syncing, multiple user support, and dependable accuracy, though its app interface does feel a little dated compared to others. And then at the top end, the Omron Platinum and Omron Evolv both deliver excellent accuracy and design, but in slightly different ways. That Platinum gives you more on-screen data, AFib screening, and better app integration, while the Evolv trades these for portability and a cleaner all-in-one setup. The trade-off with the Evolv is that you lose some on-device data display and multi-user functionality. And finally, the Omron Complete is a powerful option if you need to track both blood pressure and heart rhythm. Just remember that it requires a smartphone to view results, and some of the EKG analysis features come through a paid subscription. So it's best suited for those who actually need that level of monitoring. It's also worth noting that there are over 100 clinically validated blood pressure monitors listed on validatepp.org. The ones we covered today are just great examples of what to look for: a reliable upper arm cuff, a proper fit for your arm size, and validation for accuracy. At the end of the day, the best blood pressure monitor is the one you'll actually use consistently, because that's what helps you and your doctor see the full picture of your health over time. If you found this to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like and share it with someone who's trying to find a good home blood pressure monitor. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which monitor you're using or what you've seen work best for you. And if you're interested in any of these, go ahead and check out the description below where we got links for each one of them. And if you'd like more videos like this that make medical topics simple and evidence-based, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on what's next.